What's going on, guys? Been gone for a couple days. I had to go to Ohio for work. Just wrapped up on everything there. Getting ready to head on home. Super excited. Get to make some more videos for you guys, see my family, and sleep in my own bed. Really excited about that. So, but while here, before getting back to Indy, I'm going to stop at a place that I used to work at and I still shop at very frequently, which I'm sure a lot of you guys have already shopped at too. So, gonna check in and see what kind of deals we can find. Still buddies with a lot of people here I used to work with, and I'll go ahead and slide that over so you can see it. So yeah, we're at Summit Racing. Worked here during college for a few years, and yeah, it was awesome place. A lot of good memories here, a lot of great people here, and obviously parts too. So we're gonna run inside, see what we can find, and we will be back. Alright guys, so just did a super quick sweep through the store to see what was available, but a lot of good stuff in there. Didn't see anything for these specific builds I got planned for you coming up, but I'm sure between now and next summer there's going to be a ton of stuff in here. So expect a lot more footage being done here, especially at the events that they're going to hold here. There's a huge truck event here, Mopar event, Ford event, GM event. Luckily, I got all those vehicles that fit those categories, so we'll be bringing each of those vehicles up to the different shows going on. So stay tuned for those. I'm going to get back on the road. I got about a 5-hour drive back to Indy from here, so at this time of the day with traffic, it's going to be ridiculous. So looking forward to hearing from you guys. Let me know what you guys are working on. Really interested in seeing or hearing or reading in the comment section what you got. Whether it's a daily driver or if it's something that's like super modified, but definitely interested in communicating with you guys. So gonna go ahead and get on the road. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment. Really curious to see what you guys are building and what you want to see on the channel. There's going to be a ton of stuff coming up. When I worked here, that was something you heard all the time, day, night, didn't matter. You always heard vehicles getting onto the on-ramp, which is literally like right next to the parking lot. So yeah, and I had a window seat to see it every single time. But yeah, so like I said, definitely interested in seeing what you guys are working on, what you'd like to see on this channel too, between the Excursion and the Malibu and the Mustang and the Cyclone. Those are going to be some pretty extensive projects. But yeah, curious to see what you guys think of those, what you want to see more of, and what we can do to improve the channel. So only a couple videos in so far, but definitely planning on getting you guys some killer footage, killer content, and awesome just builds. So alright guys, talk to you soon. Oh, I'm also on Instagram. It's rah_free. That's RAH_FREE. So I've only got a couple pictures on there so far of the Excursion and the Malibu, but I'm gonna have some more pictures up there soon. Alright guys, talk to you soon. Alright, bye.